Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine. Today we have practice exercise 5.4 page number 77. Question number 1 is name the polygons. We have the diagrams and put the names. Okay, first diagram have 6 different corners. We have marked with hexagon. B have 4 sides. We have written square. C have 5 sides. We have to written pentagon. Pentagon have 5 sides, and D's diagram shows the triangle. Triangle have 3 sides. You can draw these diagrams in your blank page and name these diagrams in your lining page. Now question number 2 is name the triangle, their vertices, sides and angle. We have to mention their names, vertices, sides and angles. Okay, its angles are क्वेश्चन ए एंगल ट्राइंगल की शेप हम बनाए सिंबल बनाएंगे एल एम एंड एन. एंगल्स इज एंगल का सिंबल एंड देन एल एम एंड एन. नेक्स्ट एंगल इज एम एल एंड एन. Another angle is L and M. Vertices, those points who join two arms is known as vertices. Vertices are L, M and N. Sides, how many sides? ML, LN and MN. You can complete this work in your lining page and draw this diagram in blank pages. Diagram B is D, E and F. Okay, B angles is L, angle का symbol, and then D, E and F. Second angle is E, F, D. Third angle is E, D, F. Vertices are D, E, F. Sides D, E, F and D, Fs. C diagram is P, O and Q. C question is P, O, Q. Angles are angle symbol and then P, O, Q, O, Q, P, Q, P, O. Vertices are P, O, Q. Sides are P, O, Q and Q, P. Move on. Question number 3 is fill in the blanks. A dash is a simple closed figure that is made up of line segments only. We have a closed figure made with line segments only. It's triangle. B, the sum of angles of a triangle is dash. Sum of all angles is known as 180 degrees. A dash triangle has one of its angle is equals to 90 degree. One angle made 90 degrees. We have right angle triangle. D, a triangle having two sides is called a dash. Triangle having two sides are equal is known as isosceles triangle. Question number 4, write true and false. A scalene triangle has 3 equal sides. If scalene triangle have 3 sides, no, it's not. An isosceles triangle has all its sides equal. Isosceles triangle have all sides are equals? No, it's false. C, an obtuse angle triangle can have 2 obtuse angles. An obtuse angle triangle can make 2 obtuse angles? No, it's false. A right angle triangle has only one right angle? Yes, it's true. The number of vertices of a polygon is equal to the number of its sides. Polygon has vertex equal to its size? True. Question number 5 is use a ruler to measure the sides of the following triangles. Also write their names of the triangle in each case. Okay, we have to measure with the ruler. We have measured 3 centimeter. Its measurement is 3 centimeter and this measurement is 3.5 centimeters. Okay, we have put triangle symbol ABC angle and then BPQR. PQ is 2.5 centimeters, QR is 3.5 centimeters and PR is 4 centimeter. Triangle PQR. MN measures 3 centimeters, MN measures 3 centimeters and MO measures 5.5 centimeters. Triangle MNO. D. RS measures 3.5 centimeters, RT measures 2.5 centimeters, ST measures 3.5 centimeters. Triangle RS and T. Question number 6 is write the names of the following triangles on the basis of angles. Okay, one triangle made an angle of 90 degree is known as right angle triangle. B is acute angle triangle. Acute angle are those angles who can less than 90 degrees angle. C is M, N and O. It can greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degrees angle known as obtuse angle triangle. And other is acute angle triangle. It is less than 90 degrees. So we have known acute angle triangle. E is obtuse angle triangle because it is less than 180 degree and then measures greater than 90 degrees. F is one angle make a 90 degrees angle. We now name that right angle triangle. Now we have completed page number 78 in this video. Hope you will done your work in your geometries copies. Allah Hafiz.